Hello, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Glad to see you here. I am coming to you today with an unboxing and a pickup that we did today. And I wanted to talk to you also further about sizing when it comes to this item in the big bag. So let's get to it. My husband had his first stamping done on a luggage tag from his monogram Eclipse Keep All 45 that he received from me for Christmas. He went bold with his lettering. He was excited. He was actually asking me this week, hey, is my tag back? Here is the other item. So basically this is what I got from the vlog shopping. I just had to wait for it to come in. I already took the ribbon off because I wanted to make sure that they fit, which is the topic I'm gonna get into after I unbox these. To talk about fit, because it was a lot different on this than what I normally wear. And I believe that was a question when I had posted a photo of these when I first saw them in store and posted some eye candy. Somebody did ask me how they fit, so yeah, I'll get into that. Here they are. This is the one color that I had tried on the vlog. It is the color that stuck with me. There are other options on the Louis Vuitton website, colors and styles, and there's even a high heel with a wrapped ankle fabric on there, but this was what I chose because I have so much black. I needed definitely something that was not black, especially for spring summer wear. I love these. I do love them. These are the Starboard flat espadrilles, and this color is cognac brown, and it is a grained calf leather. The LV on the sole. These are made in Italy. It's on there in script. This is what the interior looks like. That's what the stitching looks like on it. Can you see that leather? And then of course you have the LV emboss on the top. So on this I had to get a 35. And I'll refer back again to the vlog, because on the vlog when I was trying my size on, I was wearing my Chanel loafers that day. So my size is a 36. So I put one of my loafers on and then one of the shoe that they had in a 36, this shoe. That one was way too loose on me, way too loose on me. So what we did was we went down a full size to a 35. So I tried these back on with the no-show socks today, and it felt great. I would definitely go try them on before you purchased if you can. But I'm telling you that maybe if you're not near a store, I had to go a full size down. These are $750, and I believe you can get this one in black at the same price. So yeah, I am really happy with these. They came just in time for Valentine's Day. I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure to hit notifications so that you will know when I do post again. So I'll see y'all later. Bye.